Hey, how's it going, social media friends and family? So today, want to talk about a couple things, right? Um, been in this industry for about 7 years now, close to 7 years, right? Uh, and a lot of things that I'm hearing about uh, the different vans, the different carriers, the brokers, and is this a good opportunity to get in a cargo van business? So it's so many different aspects to this business, right? And I want to make it, I want to break it down to people, right? So you have um, an expediter, you have a carrier, right? And then you just have somebody that just want to hustle, right? You really can't say that it's not a good opportunity because I know back in the days, if you had a pickup truck or if you had a van, you can make money, right? So what I'm gonna give you is a couple nuggets right off top, right? This is my book, right? It's on Amazon. It is called How to Start a Cargo Van and Box Truck Business, right? This is me, as you can see here. Go get this book. Uh, my bio is www.cargovanbusiness.com. Let's start off with that. This book right now, I think it's on Amazon for about $13. Uh, Originally, I had it at $18.99. I decided I wanted to drop it down. Ebooks, the Kindle, is down to about $3 or $4. So I'm making it affordable for everybody, right? So I want to jump right into it, right? With the content of what you can get from this book. You got an introduction page. You have chapter one, and uh, then you from chapter one, right? So it has a couple things in chapter one. How to choose a name for your cargo van business, developing your cargo van business and strategies, right? So I'm not going to get into that. You have an executive summary, the company overview, the industry analysis, the customer analysis, competitive analysis, uh, which is the competition analysis, right? A marketing plan, operational plan, management team, and economic plan. This is just really getting you ready to do a business plan, guys. I took the time. It took me about 2 years to get this book going, right? You got all the nuts and bolts that you need to get started. Chapter two, choosing your legal structure. Just basically mean, are you going to go S Corp, C Corp, or are you going to do sole proprietorship, which is you basically using your own social security number, right? Uh, and so the next one, right, is secure startup capital for your cargo van and your box business. Couple things that once you get your LLC, you get your S corp. You can apply for credit cards, open up a bank account, Chase, Bank of America, have some funds in there, and then you eventually you can open up. You can get you a credit card. I've done that several times. And it helped me fund in my business and in terms of operational costs, gas, uh, just being out on the road. So that's very important to get funding. If you want to get a gas card, you got companies out there, WEX, WEX. You have different gas cars, which you can have Shell, you can have Amco, you can have, it's a lot of different companies out there. Uh, Five, find a location for your business, right? Um, Location is just basically mean if you're going to be a home base, you're going to do it from your home, or you can do it from a warehouse. I choose to be do from my home, right? Because I don't need to over here right now, and I'm on the road. When you're on the road, why would you need unless you are doing more than just expediting? You are doing warehousing, right? Where you staging products from other companies and you're getting it shipped out, and and your people can pick up the products from your warehouse. So it depends, once again, what you want to do. Uh, Obtaining federal and state tax ID, EIN. Just getting those. If you're gonna what you're gonna use your EIN number, or you're gonna use your Social Security number. Open a business bank account. Once again, I kind of alluded on that a little bit earlier, right? If you're gonna do this business, make sure you have a business account, because when you start making money, right, you want to use the right tax deductions that your business require you to do, right? If you want to get, like myself, right, when I open up my business, I had an LLC, right? And my business, the van is in my company name, right? It's not in my name, so I was able to deduct and write off the truck, right? You don't get those opportunities unless, get this book, guys. And it's in the book. Get the book today. Everything you need to get started. Buying commercial insurance for your van, general liability, auto insurance, workers' comp, right? If you're out here and you're an independent contractor, a lot of companies, unless, it depends on what company, some companies out there will put workers' comp on you. A lot of companies won't, right? So if you get injured while you're working and your business depends on you to bring revenue into your home, you want to have workers' comp, right? And so that workers' comp would allow you to be paid if you are injured doing any activities that related to your business, and if you are injured, right? Buying a lease a van, it's your option, right? If you want to lease or you want to buy, a lot of times people would, I would say, lease if you got a box truck, right? People, or you have a power only, which is a semi tractor trailer, right? But when you come down to a van, because of the mileage you're going to put on there and the upkeep, I would suggest that you either buy the van or finance the van. Developing your marketing strategy. That just saying that you get your logo, your social media presence, and also a website. Buy and set up software needed to run a business. Just basically, guys, meaning if you're going to get if you want to keep your books in line, you want to make sure that you have software. Some people want to do Microsoft Excel. Some people would use a shoebox method where you put all your receipts in the shoebox. I've done that for years with my business, right? And so at the end of the month, I go through the shoebox, and what I would do is kind of measure my expense versus my revenue. And you do that monthly, right? And then by the quarterly, if you have a company like ADP, you have them do your taxes, and when it's come down for you filing tax at the end of the year, you have everything in place. So, a lot of people are not able to do that, right? But I just ask you to make sure that you have everything in order, right? Because if you do start making excessive amount of money, right, you need those things. And then, so I'm going to stop right there. All that is in chapter 1. So everything that I just went over, guys, is in chapter 1. Man, I have, I think, let's go. All the way to chapter 7. So everything that I just talked about is just in chapter 1. Guys, it has so many more. We have 7 chapters that take out the guesswork of what you need to be successful in this business. I keep hearing people say, hey, what do I need? I took the time, guys, and I got this book up and running on Amazon. So if you are hesitant to go to the website or anything else, you can go to www.cargovanbusiness.com. It gives you links to my social media presence. I mean, I got Facebook up there. I think I have TikTok, and I also have a couple other ones. I don't know, guys, right off top. But, and I also have YouTube. I have about 50 videos on YouTube. This is how I got going with the YouTube videos, right? And then I had a more of a presence in social media where other people say, hey, man, I want to learn more about the opportunity to get started. So I'm going to stop right there. And I will be posting this on social media outlets. And if you have any questions, I also have on my author page, which is www.cargovanbusiness.com, where it's a blog on there, right? Where you can email me questions. I have had several people reached out to me already in email, and I have reached back out to them, right? And it's very satisfying that people are coming and asking me for questions, right? I am not charging people for this information. I just ask you to support my book, right? If you want one-on-one, where after you read the books and you want information, yeah, I do have a one-on-one. Because guess what? If I'm doing one-on-one and I'm giving you everything you need to take time out of my schedule and from my family, I think it's essential for me to charge and tailor a business plan or a plan for you, right? That you can be successful, right? Hey guys, I done this. I've been in this industry for a while, right? More importantly, I have worked for a Fortune 500 company, right? And so and work with a Fortune 500 company, right? And then so I know the ins and out of operating, right, at a high level. I've been a senior manager in transportation. I am a senior manager in transportation, right? And so I get the nuts and bolts how to be successful in this industry. So feel free to give me a shout out. Subscribe, guys, to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my TikTok. As we continue to grow, this helps my presence on social media. Guys, take care. I appreciate it. Enjoy your day.